Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do a sub reveal for our subs that just went out. So as always, I'll show you the sticker kit first, and then I'll show you the stationery sub because that has the mystery items. And I'll warn you ahead of time because some of you might not have received your sub yet and want to be surprised. So let's start with the sticker kit. The sub went out in October, but it is the December themed. And I know that's been a little bit of confusion because I say it's the October sub, but then you're getting December themed items and stuff like that. So our new sub year actually starts this month in November. So I'm gonna start naming our subs something else besides the month so it lessens confusion. But yeah, so this is the December sticker kit. As always, you get a freebie add-on sheet. So this is the December add-on, which actually has like a New Year's Eve kind of theme to it. So it just has a bunch of party deco, a cake that says Happy New Year, and then along the bottom it says the best is yet to come. So that's the freebie you get when you subscribe to our sticker subscriptions. And then here is sheet A. So you have the December hand lettered sticker, the clip art deco, your circle icons with a Christmas tree and some toasting glasses for New Year's. Then you have your headers. I didn't do a sub reveal in November, so I didn't get to mention this, but starting in November and then again this month in December, I did different colors for the headers. So let me know how you guys like that, because usually previous months I was keeping it always the same standard colors, but I thought it would be nice to start switching up the colors, but also make it muted and tones that will still match other sticker kits too, so you can mix and match. So for December, I did this like kind of muted green, and then you have 2 strips of skinny washi in like a darker gray, and then 2 strips of the regular size washi in this flannel type pattern. So that's sheet A. And then sheet B are your 8 full boxes. I thought these came out so cute. A little bit kind of holiday, but mostly like a winter vibe. And then you have a strip of washi down here in that flannel pattern. So that's sheet B. Sheet C are your quarter boxes, half boxes, trackers, and checklists. So it's white as usual, then this darker gray, this muted green, and then this is a snowflake pattern in the background, which I thought was super cute. So that's sheet C. Sheet D are your 2-tone labels, a thinner one and a thicker one, and then headers in that muted green color with the white text, some more circle icons, and then another strip of washi here, and this one is in the snowflake pattern to kind of change it up a little bit. So that's sheet D. So that's what you get if you subscribe to the full sticker kit, and if you subscribe to the mini sticker kit, you get the same add-on sheet and the same sheet A, and then here's sheet E. So you get 3 sheets in the mini sticker kit subscription. So sheet E has 4 full boxes, some flags, quarter boxes, and half boxes. And now I'm gonna show you the stationery sub. So if you wanna be surprised, you could click out now. Make sure to come back because after I show you the stationery sub, there's a couple things I wanna mention about some changes for the subs in 2023. So first, let me start off with the cards. So here's the order card. So this is something that I started doing. I think I actually started doing this in January or February of this year. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna continue this on into 2023, but kind of a different vibe. But you get a freebie card. This one is winter theme and it says, "Baby, it's cold outside." And then on the back, it just has our socials and stuff. So that's the order card. And then you get a calendar card. So this is like business card size with Monday through Sunday on the front and Sunday through Saturday on the back. And then a quote card. And so this is just one-sided. It's kind of like a gray color. And I thought it would be perfect for December because December we should rest a bit, reflect on our year, and then reset for the new year. So I thought that would be cute in our planners. So you get these 3 cards. And then you get 2 sheets of vellum. So you have this one, which is that snowflake pattern, which was part of the background on some of the sheets in our sticker kit. And then this one is kind of like an abstract, but it's kind of supposed to be like an overcast, like cloudy day to kind of go along with the winter theme. And then for October, there were 3 mystery items. Here's the first one. So this is actually a ceramic cutter, and it's retractable, and it's in black, which I really thought looked super cute. So it's retractable. It's gonna be hard to see on camera, but it has a really small ceramic blade, which is supposed to be safer than a regular blade. I thought these were super cute and handy. So this is good for cutting stickers and washi. So that's the first mystery. And then the other 2 mystery items are a ruler and a tweezer, which I was super excited about. So the tweezer says extra. So it's black to match the cutter, but you know, I had the choice to put a logo here, and I don't know if you guys noticed, if you've been a customer for a while, I rarely put my logo on anything, sometimes on like backing cards or some packaging, like on the side of our sticker sheets, but on items like this, or even on notepads, I don't put our logo because I think it's more fun to put things like this. Like, I don't know if people want a notepad that every page says the planner spot, or a tweezer that says the planner spot, but I thought it was more fun to put this because funny story is I used to think tweezers were so extra. I thought it was so unnecessary. I thought it was so silly, but then somehow I don't even remember how I used tweezers one day and then I never looked back. I use tweezers all the time, especially for my mini icons and mini transparent dots. These are so helpful. So I thought it would be funny to put extra on the tweezers. So every time we're using it, we can laugh at ourselves at how silly we are, but these are actually super useful. And I got a different kind of tip. So I just got a rounded tip. I don't know. I just try to go for something different. There were like 10 different tips I could have chosen, and I just decided to go for this one. And these look so cute together. And then you get a ruler, and on the ruler it says every day I'm plannering. I've been using that on a few different items in our shop because everyone seems to really like that. I really love that phrase as well. So I wanted to mention on the ruler, it has actually like a film on both sides to protect it from scratching. And you do have to kind of pick at the side to get the film to come off, but there's the front side. And here's the back side. That wasn't too difficult, but just to let you know that that film does come off. And then it's crystal clear acrylic, super cute for a straight edge for when I'm drawing lines, tearing washi. Rulers have become such a staple in my planner pouch, so I thought it'd be cute to make one for us. So yeah, those are the 3 mystery items. I really like them a lot. I hope you guys like them too. So I'm gonna lay everything back out for my final shop, but while I do that, I wanted to mention about subs going forward into 2023. So as I mentioned, I'm gonna start naming the sub something specific. Like for example, this sticker sub was named Wonderland because I just try to make it like a winter wonderland. So maybe I would have named this sub Wonderland or something, or Winter Wonderland, and then we know exactly what sub we're talking about. When I send out the email for Sub Love, which will go out this week, I'm gonna put out a survey asking you guys some questions about changes I'm thinking about for 2023. And a lot of them have to do with the sticker kit. And so some of the questions I'm gonna ask is, for example, what I'm thinking about is the kit itself would be more general theme, so seasonal. So winter, spring, summer, fall. For 3 months, we'll have 3 different winter themes. For 3 months, we'll have 3 different spring themes and so on. Of course, like let's say for January, I'm always going to include some fresh start kind of things. And in September, I'll always incorporate some fashion kind of things, but not so much holiday things, just in case people aren't celebrating the same kind of holidays. Then I want to keep the sticker kits a little bit more general. And then the holiday things, like for example, New Year's or like more Christmas type things, I'll do on the add-on sheet since this is a freebie, and then make the kit more like just wintry. The other things I was gonna ask you guys about in the survey is I was thinking about changing the headers back to the plain like typed font, like this type of font here instead of script. I was gonna ask you guys about the washi strips, if you guys like these sizes. I think I would keep the thin strips. I think those are super helpful, but these strips down here, if you guys like this size or if you guys want them a little bit thicker. I think the full boxes, this is my favorite sheet actually in the whole kit. I think those will stay the same kind of format. I was gonna ask you guys about sheet C. I think the quarter boxes and half boxes are useful, but I was wondering if you guys find the habit trackers and checklists useful, or if I might change those up to more boxes or other kind of full boxes. I don't know. I wanted to get your guys' opinion on that, as well as sheet D. So these two sheets are the ones I'm most unsure about, like if you guys find them useful, if I should change them up for 2023. Like, I don't know if you guys are using these two-tone labels, if I should change it to different kind of labels. I don't know if you guys are using these headers as much, if you need that many, or if you need less. So originally, when I designed this kit, this whole kit was designed to last a whole month. I know most sticker kits are designed to last for a week, but I designed mine to last for a month for the more minimalist planners or just to get more bang for your buck. But maybe you guys aren't planning that way and maybe this is way too many headers. Sheet E would probably stay pretty much the same. So I'm gonna put that all out in the survey that will go out with the Sub Love access code email. So keep an eye out for that. Just some notes about this sub. This sub is now closed. These have all shipped out already. Sub Love will open Friday, November 4th at 12 noon. So first dibs will go to our current monthly sub customers, and then anything left over will be released to the main shop the following Friday, which I think is November 11th at 12 noon Pacific. I'll put all this information in the description box below. These three items, I have limited stock, so if you want to get these, then get there early so you can get these. I don't know when or if I'll be restocking these, so just an FYI. Spots for our first sub of 2023 are now open. If you want to sign up for that, you can do that now through the end of the day of November 14th. That's when spots will close. And yeah, so let me know if you have any questions about what you get in the subs, the open date, the close date, and all of that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.